What's up everyone, it's Winstonee, and today I'm going to show you my nighttime hair care routine that I do to help keep my hair moisturized through the night and help prevent it from feeling dry when I wake up in the morning. And it also helps to stimulate my scalp to help my hair grow. The routine is quick and simple. I use 3 oils: aloe vera oil, this island oil mixture, and peppermint oil. The aloe vera oil is the foundation. I put that in first. It's lightweight and it hydrates my scalp without clogging my hair follicles. It helps to balance the pH in my hair, which is necessary if you texturize your hair. Then I massage it in. Next, I put in the island oil mixture, which has Moringa Seed oil that strengthens your hair, jojoba and sunflower oil that gives it that shine, and Manuka Honey, which pulls moisture from the air and into your hair strands. I mainly put this oil on my hair ends to keep the ends moisturized and reduce breakage from dryness. This oil is also good if you texturize your hair and you feel like you've overprocessed it. The last thing I put in my hair is a few drops of peppermint oil. It gives your scalp a little tingle that increases hair growth. It also increases blood flow to the hair follicles. Once I put the drops in, I again massage it into my scalp. Then I put my hair up into a pineapple, wear a satin bonnet, and then I'm off to bed. I usually only do this nighttime routine about 2 or 3 times a week because it usually lasts about 1 or 2 days. And then also sometimes the peppermint, it feels kind of minty in your hair, and sometimes it could feel a little too minty. So yeah, 2 or 3 times a week is my sweet spot for doing this. I wake up and my hair feels refreshed, moisturized. Yeah, this is what I do at night. If you guys have any questions on this routine, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I also did another video last week of another growth hack that requires peppermint oil if you guys want another technique of growing your hair faster. I'll leave that in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for future videos on hair care and hair maintenance and everything hair related. I will see you guys in my next video.